I'm recording, FYI. Coming, Net Security Chapter 4. Coming off of this router, we're going to connect to a multi-layered switch. And I've done this with one group. None of the three that you're currently working on. I did it with a group that was 13, 14, and 18. This device is connected to a router which connects into the IT network. Okay? So that's our scenario. So the only thing you're concerned about is this connection right here. And so what that's going to be 192.168, the device number, whatever you want to use. And this network, I'll do an example, 192.168 19.2/24. The .1 addresses, are on the multi-layered switch. So your address will be right here, .2. You got it? Which port you'll connect to will be based on your number. So for example, what will the numbers be here? I already used 19, so for example, Chris, what number will you guys use? 17. Get it? So then, Jacob, what will you guys use? 22 is your middle router, right? And so then it'd be 18 for you guys. Does that make sense? So I'll have this configured. I'll finish that up a little bit later today. Plus, I'll connect them. Okay? Now, what are you going to have to configure to make this work? How can all of these routers that have the exact same LAN on the inside, how can they all connect to this device? How are they going to do it? Right, so you're going to have to do NAT at your device. One other thing that I want you to do is we're going to take from here, you're going to put a PC, and you can use a crossover cable, connect to that router. You'll want to connect a PC, and that PC should get its, you'll use this same philosophy down here, so that'll be a 192.168 2 dot something. But what I want you to do is this will be DHCP. So when we start on Thursday, we have to, a couple things. We've got to clean up the CBAC or get that close to being done. I don't know where you're at exactly, but you should be actually doing CBAC. Doesn't take very long, right? How many have done the auto secure already? Okay, so you're already checking it, right? You're going through the parts to check it, to see what it did. So we'll clean that up, okay? And you might start on this part right away. because you should be able to, your first test will be to make sure this device can get to the internet. Get it? And you don't have to worry. I already have a device where it works. Get it? So I've got where it works. So this part works from here on out. Get it? From here on out works. So what you'll need to do is worry about everything on this side. And then also what we can do is we can practice then our access list. We can practice access list in this scenario with this device or even our devices internally. That make sense? All right.